Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I thought with fall coming right around the corner, we should do a fall eyeshadow look. And we are going to do that eyeshadow look using Essence's Spice Up Your Life palette. This is what it looks like, and as you can see, there are a ton of beautiful fall colors. I have been playing with this palette a little bit, and I do really enjoy it. I have to say the only color I'm not too happy with is this reddish shade right here. I don't think it has enough pigment in it, but the rest of them I have made multiple looks with, and I really do love this palette. So we are going to move you in and start with the eyeshadow look. Okay, I have you very zoomed in, and we are going to start with the eyeshadow look. I have prepped and primed my face, so we are all ready for some shadow. We are going to do this shadow today using just a few brushes, and when I say a few brushes, I really mean just a few. We are going to start off using a big fluffy brush, and we're going to take this shade, Vanilla Bean, and we're going to put it all over our eyelid. So we're going to put this Vanilla Bean color all over our lid. Always remember when putting on shadow, especially darker shadows, that you tap off your brush and get rid of any of that excess powder, because you don't want to have fall out, which means that powder falls underneath here. And if you have a full face of makeup, sometimes that could be a pain in the butt to get rid of. Next, we are going to take a big fluffy brush like this. This is actually the Morphe M504 brush, and this one that I used is by Jessup, and it's their Luxe Soft Definer brush. So that is what we used with the Vanilla Bean color all over our lid. And now we're going to go in with a fluffier brush, again the Morphe M504, and we are going to start with our transition shade. I think what we are going to go in with right now is this kind of brownish color right here. This is called Coco Loco. So we are going to do our transition shade using that color. And we are going to take this in our crease and just kind of do light windshield wiper motions and get that color in our crease. And if it isn't as dark as you want it, just go in with a little bit more color. Now I like using these bigger, fluffier brushes in my crease as my when I'm doing my transition shade, because I just like that it covers more ground. And if I'm in a hurry and don't have a whole lot of time to do a makeup look, this kind of helps speed up the process a little bit, because you can get more area with a bigger brush. You want, in the crease color, you want it to be a little darker than the transition shade, because you always want to go light to dark, not dark to light. It's a lot easier to take or add to than take away. Okay, so now we're gonna go into a slightly darker shade, and we're gonna take that shade into the corner, the lower crease area of our lid, and we are going to go in with, I think we should do Cinnamon Roll, and that is this shade right here. So we're gonna get some of that on our brush. We're gonna tap off the excess, and we're gonna go in to the lower crease of our lid, and we're just gonna darken up that area to add a little depth to our look here. You just want to lightly blend that color into your inner corner. So I want to go back in to my crease and kind of blend out the two colors so it doesn't look like there's a harsh line. I'm going to get my Morphe M504 brush again, and we're just going to lightly blend where the two shadows meet so that we don't have a harsh line and it doesn't look like one shadow, boom, there's another one. So we just want to kind of lighten this up and make it look nice and airbrushed. So now I kind of want to go in with a little bit of shimmer, and I'm really thinking that this yellowish color might look good on the lid, and that one is called Curry in a Hurry. So what I'm going to do is take my finger, I'm going to pick up a little bit of that product, and I'm going to dab it on my eyelid. We'll see what that does. Just a little bit. Okay. It doesn't really show up too much on the camera, but I mean, it really is a pretty kind of goldish yellowy color, and I do like it on my eyelids. Now we are going to go on our lower lid now, and actually I am going to grab one more brush. It's a little pencil brush just to smoke out our lower lash here, and I'm going to go in with the color Cayenne My Man, and that is this kind of reddish color right here. And we are going to put it down on our lower lid. So we're going to go back in with the Cinnamon Roll color, and we're going to kind of just deepen up that under eye area. There we go. So we are done applying our eyeshadow. I'm going to zoom you out and do my liner, lashes, and mascara offline, and I will be back. So here is the final look. I have my liner, my mascara, and my lashes on. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button down below, and hit the bell in the corner to be notified of all of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon. Bye.